Sky high texture and volume, Roni by Noriko be thy name. This is Roni by Noriko in the color Frosty Blonde. And whoo boy, does this wig have epic amounts of volume. Oh, Heather from CysterWigs.com here. Wow. Wow. This wig has lots of volume, and it's not a bad thing. It actually looks a lot like the manufacturer picture because, I mean, it's sky high on the manufacturer model too. This wig just has epic amounts of layering, epic amounts of volume, just wowzers. Wowzers, this wig is very voluminous. It's kind of edgy. This wig is bananas. All right, so let's get down to the nitty gritty of it. I actually think this is kind of a cool wig. It's just, poof. It's got that Noriko thing going on, which is like the round on top and piled sky high, because Noriko wigs have epic amounts of permatease. So, I mean, after washing this a few times, it will kind of deflate a little bit, which is I think kind of a good thing. But it will still have all of this awesome texture, all of this awesome layering throughout, and this Frosty Blonde color is really cool. It's one of the only ashy blondes that Noriko carries. Almost every other color that Noriko carries is gold-based or has kind of an auburn tint to it. So it's nice that they offer at least one that has a little bit of ash in it. And people ask me about that all the time, and ash blondes just aren't as popular because they just don't look good on as many people as the gold-based blondes do. I like ash blondes. Heck, Taylor Swift rocks ash blonde. She looks great. But I mean, it takes a certain kind of complexion, whereas that gold-based blonde will go with a very wide variety of skin tones and colors. So, you know, it makes it hard for those of us who really like the ashier colors. But c'est la vie, right? Anyway, this wig has so much texture, so much, it's just so razored, has so much texture. I mean, I don't even know what else to say aside from this wig is gonzo. It's just got so much texturing going on. And that makes it really easy to wear. I mean, you don't really have to do much to it, and if you're looking for a lot of volume, this one will give it to you in spades. It's just effortless. I mean, it's not going to move around a whole lot, but it just goes right into place. You just play with it with your fingers for a few minutes, and this is what you end up with. I'm going to go ahead and take the wig off so you can see the cap construction. So here's what this looks like from the side. You can see all this texture, crazy, crazy texture, like everywhere. Razored, everything, just crazy texture. The nape on this is only 2 inches, and my only real complaint about this wig is that I really do wish that it had just a little bit more hair here in the back. You know, just not necessarily like longer hair, but just more density of hair here in the back. But other than that, you know, this is a pretty decent wig. It has 4.4 inches here at the crown. It also has a front that's roughly the same length at 4.6. And the weight is super light for a Noriko wig. It's only 2.3 ounces. It's one of the lightest Noriko wigs. I'm going to go ahead and invert this. This entire rose lace section is permateased. And the back is open and stretchy. We have an extended nape here. And it adjusts kind of like a bra in the back here. And the ear tabs don't have anything special. It's the same material as the top. Got a little fine line of felt here at the main hairline, but other than that, you don't have any fancy schmancy cap features. This is a no frills, easy to wear, super voluminous, razored, highly textured short style. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back on my head. Now this wig does not stretch that much, so much like all Noriko wigs, it's just kind of tight on me. But I do think it's kind of rad. It's got a lot going on. Definitely meant for somebody who likes to walk on the wild side a little bit. This would be a very nice alternative to traditional pixies for mature wig wearers, because it's just got a lot of volume, a lot of texture, and a little bit of edge to it. So this has been the Roni wig by Noriko in the color Frosty Blonde, which is one of their very few ashy colors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great afternoon. And visit my web store, CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs.com. Have a good night. Bye-bye.